Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to link your bank to your Stash app. So to link your external bank account to your Stash app follows this step. So the first thing to do, which is your step one, is to launch the Stash app on your device. So you can access your Stash account on your iOS or your Android. So if it is iOS, tap on your initial in the upper left corner. Then if it is Android, tap the hamburgers icon, which is the three horizontal lines in the upper left screen or the upper left corner. Then from there, you have to manage your external bank account. So tap manage external bank account, then tap connect a different account. Then follow the screen this prompt to link your external bank account. So Stash utilize a secure third-party service to facilitate the linking process. So Plaid encrypt with your bank information, including your transaction details, and share it with Stash to enable features like round up and fee monitoring. So the rest assured, Stash does not receive your external bank log information such as your PIN, username, or password. And that's it.